Social media marketing with Stumbleupon. Stumbleupon is a social networking tool that allows you to find people with similar interests in your niche. People can then stumble your content. They can write reviews, send links for your content to their friends. The more reviews you have, the more views your site will get, and the higher you will appear in Stumbleupon, which will lead to more traffic. Stumbleupon allows you to build lots of high page-ranked backlinks. You can get more exposure for your content, your brand, your website, and whatever you're offering. And it's a great way to generate large amounts of targeted traffic. Marketing on Stumbleupon. Put your very best content on Stumbleupon. Give away something for free, something of high value that people would usually have to pay for example an ebook, a video course, a software, or an e-course. Build a readership, a list of people who follow you in your niche. The more targeted your niche, the higher the conversion rates are going to be. And when creating your posts, include a backlink to your site using your keywords. Building a fan base on Stumbleupon. To find people, you need to use your contacts from your email account. You can go to that tab in Stumbleupon where it says Find Your Friends on Stumbleupon. You can also search for people by country and city. To do that, go to Browse People. You can search by people's categories and interests. Then you can create a blog using Stumbleupon, fill out your profile, and make a few posts before you start to add friends. Use StumbleExchange.com. Do a review for somebody there, and they'll do a review for you. More stumbles equals more traffic.